Welcome to Mathaba TV. I am Magabonge Mathaba, bringing you the hottest South African news. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification to be notified of future upload. Today, the story that we'll talk about the fights between the Somalian and the South African taxis that happened in Gqeberha. Yesterday, I reported a story about the fight between the Somalians and the South African taxi drivers. National Police Minister Bheki Cele visited the area and said the acts of violence in Gqeberha will not be tolerated. Cele promised more police on the ground, including a special force if it's needed. Here's the video of Minister Bheki Cele talking in Gqeberha.
The law was broken here. The property was destroyed. There was arson. There were cars burnt, taxis. I'm told there were shops burnt. There were guns and firearms brandished around here, some of them fired. So there are few things that then the police will have to follow. One, police will have to find all people that committed crime, the arson and the destruction of property. Secondly, the police will have to look and find those guns that were fired.
Taxi drivers, traders, people and residents are unhappy with the current situation. Here's the video of a taxi driver and a street vendor talking about the situation.
People are afraid, the passengers, to come in question because they say we don't want to get in the taxis while the taxis are getting banned, while the taxis were shooting while inside yesterday. So the people, they say we don't want to get into the taxis.
I'm very scared because I didn't open yet because I want to see what is going on firstly before I can open my stand, because I don't know what is going to happen if we open our stands, because you see now even the shops are closed, then there is no business for us.
As Mathaba TV, we hope that the situation will calm down and there will be peace. You know, peace is what we love here. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more news here on Mathaba TV. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification to be notified of future uploads. Like the video, comment in the comment section. I'll see you again on my next upload.